Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Iftar meals for the month of Ramadan, so this video can give you an idea of what you can do for dinner. Mixed vegetable stuffed varieties will be made as the main dish: Turkish stuffed green zucchini, stuffed eggplant, stuffed peppers and stuffed grape leaves. Add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes to half a kilogram of finely chopped beef, 1 bowl of chopped onion, chopped dill, 1 cup of rice. Have a glass of bulgur. You can use chili peppers, black pepper and dried mint as spice. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 spoon tomato paste and 1 spoon pepper paste. Have a glass of liquid sunflower oil. Mix the ingredients thoroughly and prepare your veggies for filling. If you are going to make stuffed eggplant and zucchini, cut it in half and remove the inside. You can do this with a small dessert spoon. Fill the lettuce and zucchini with the mixture you have prepared. Do not press too much, the stuffing will not be too tight. The material should be a little free. You can cover vegetables with a tomato slice. If you are going to fill grape leaves, you have to put them in boiling water and remove them, then cut the stems of the leaves and fill them and wrap. Add some oil and tomato paste to the pot. Add cold water after roasting the tomato paste a little. You can add chili peppers or chili peppers. When the red sauce boils, place the stuffed in a pot and add another glass of water. Cover a plate on the stuffed vegetables and cover the pot. Cook over low heat for 30-40 minutes. You can serve with solid yogurt next to the stuffing. It is compatible. For dessert, pudding with biscuits will be made in the glass. For this, 1 liter of milk is added to the pot. 1 glass of flour. The glass used 200 milliliter water glass. Add 1 glass of sugar and mix well. Then you can light the fire. When the pudding thickens, add 1 spoon of butter into it. Add 1 pack of vanilla and mix for another 2 minutes. When it starts to boil, turn off the fire and beat with a mixer for 1 minute. Add the cocoa biscuits to the blender and prepare in the form of biscuit powder. Add 1 spoonful of biscuit powder to glass and add a few spoonfuls of custard. Add the biscuits and custard again into the glass. The ingredients will layer and give a beautiful appearance. Healthy milky desserts with 4 glasses full were easily prepared. You can color them with powdered pistachios or strawberries. To make chicken soup, 1 chicken leg is added to the deep pan and plenty of water is added on it. Add 1 spoon of salt and bring it to a boil. It will be ready in 15 minutes if you use a pressure cooker. Add the boiled chicken to a plate to cool. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to the pan and wait for it to melt. Add 2 spoons of flour and fry. After the flour turns pink, add 1 glass of cold water and mix. Add chicken stock and mix. After boiling, add 1 cup of fine noodles and add the chicken pieces. As I said, yogurt will be good with stuffed dishes, or you can make Turkish kasiki according to preference. Chop the cucumbers into small cubes. Add solid yogurt. This is homemade natural yogurt, you see. Add salt and add some water. Mix. Add some dried mint and some olive oil. If you want it to be cold, add ice and serve. Now you can watch the last meal. This is all for dinner. Success and bon appetit to those who will already. You can find the original of the video in Turkish on Sevail's Kitchen channel. I translated it into English and edited it a bit. Those who want can watch the original version of this video. See you again in a new food video. Goodbye.